A pious saint from Khurasan, Iran, was ordered in a dream, present Islam to the Mongols. In that era, their leader was in power, so the pious saint, rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi, traveled to meet him. When the leader saw the Muslim preacher adorned with a beard and other sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, he felt like mocking him and he asked, "Tell me, is your beard better or is the tail of my dog better?" Although the question was likely to cause anger, he calmly replied, since he was a wise preacher, he said that, "I am also the dog of my Creator, Allah Azza wa Jal. If I am able to prove my loyalty and am successful in pleasing Him, then I am better. Otherwise, the tail of your dog is indeed better than me." Since he was a practicing preacher and would refrain from backbiting, tale-telling, finding faults in others, ill speech and unnecessary gossip, and would instead keep the tongue always busy in the remembrance of Allah Azza wa Jal, the sweetness of his response to the leader's bitter question struck directly in his heart. His heart softened and he insisted, "You are my guest, so please stay with me." The saint rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi stayed at his place. The leader used to visit him in the evenings and the saint would always politely invite him towards righteousness. Inspired by this individual efforts, a Madani revolution took place in the leader's heart. The same leader who was engaged in trying to destroy Islam from the face of the earth had now become fond of the religion Islam. On the blessed hands of that pious preacher, the leader became a Muslim along with his entire nation. After reverting to Islam, he was given the Islamic name of Ahmad. The history books are witness to the fact that due to the polite reply of a preacher, the barbaric Mongolian nation turned into an Islamic empire in Central Asia. May Allah Azza wa Jal have mercy on him and forgive us without accountability for his sake. Ameen. Bijah Nabi al-Ameen. Sallu ala al-Habib. Sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad. Sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.